Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we just got here to Costa Rica, Liberia. We're staying at the Dreams Las Mareas? I don't know how you say that, but we're staying at this all-inclusive resort. And so we're staying in a one king bedroom. But I just wanted to give you a room tour so you guys can see what it looks like because it's really beautiful. First, when you come in, oh, there's Trevor. They have these two gigantic doors, and basically it's your closet storage. So they're really big actually. They have like under storage there. They have, I think that's for your clothing. A steamer maybe. They do have a safe. It's a decent size. And they also have a mirror, so you could, like, you know, check yourself out before you go out for the day, which I always love. Then they have the bathroom and the shower. So the bathroom has a door. It does have a phone in here, which I always find funny that there's always like a phone in the bathrooms, but you know, hey. And I really like the color scheme. It's really nice. And then with the shower, I was so excited. It's a waterfall shower. Look at that. How cool is that? Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to take a shower in this. So then you come over here, and here's the actual like area where you would get ready. Has the two sinks. They have a scale so you can weigh yourself, I guess. And they have a lot of towels. I'm pretty sure that's a hair dryer. And then they also provide you with their, you know, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. I really love these mirrors. They're really big and just beautiful. And then on top of that, they do have a makeup mirror, which it does turn on and work. That's really cool. So then, Trevor can't wait. Unveiling the room. So this is the bedroom. So we have our table stand next to us. I see plugs. I think, oh, there we go. So there's some USB plugs right here, 2 of them. And then look at this on the wall. How beautiful is that? That's so cool for the headboard. So we got a king bed. It's right here. And then we also have, I don't know, Trevor, do you know if any of this, like, oh, so here's the coffee. This is storage, but they also have a refrigerator. Oh, and they actually have soda in there. So they provide you with alcohol. You get soda and water. So that's really cool. Oh, they give you a bottle opener too. Look at that. That's cool. That's really cool. And then there's a TV. And then I just like this because it's like a little area. So when you wake up in the morning, if you want to have breakfast or like have room service, you can do that. We just found out room service is actually 24/7. So you can order whenever you want. So then over here we have another nightstand. So this is for an iPhone. And then they also have, well, I thought they did, but I guess they don't have, oh, they have USB on the side of the clock, which is cool. So then we actually have a sliding door to go outside. You can't really see a lot right now, but there's a table set up here. Oh, and there's a tub with Trevor in it. Look at that tub. I think it's like supposed to be a hot tub, but look at the view, you guys. You can't really see it because the camera's not doing it justice, but it's very beautiful out here. Yeah, so this is the room tour, you guys. All right, you guys, so that is the room tour for this resort. It's all inclusive. They have a bunch of amenities. We're also going to be doing some excursions, so we'll take you on that with us as well. But we hoped you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to tap out.